So I was telling you about the LIS 460 hashtag, and anytime you tweet with that, people can click on it and see all of the LIS 460 tweets. The other thing, though, is that you can do searches on different things. And then you can save searches. So say I do a search for ed tech. And I'm just going to see what happens. Well, actually, I think that it's a hashtag, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to search for it, and it will bring me up any tweets with that hashtag. But there's even something better about that if this ever comes up. Come on. Here we go. So here are all different tweets. You see, these are all tweets with that hashtag. I'm already in that hashtag. So I have edtech, and it says it's a saved search. Now here's the thing. You can put in a search and save it and then easily go back to it. So let me empty this out. And when I do that, in that search bar, here are all these different searches that I have saved over time. And now, if I want to, I could go to, just for the heck of it, I could go to LIS 483, and it would give me all the tweets for LIS 483. So any search you do, like there is one that's TL chat, and let me do the hashtag in front of it. I think there's one TL chat, and I don't think I've saved it yet. So here I am, and here it is. It says results for TL chat, and if I want to save it, I click on this down arrow, and I do save chat. So that save search. That way you can have a set of searches you always like to go back to and easily access them. So even if you don't see a tweet with LIS 460, you can easily get back to the LIS 460. Also, over here, notice these are some people who might be of interest for you to follow, and you can keep track of those and follow them if you want. Like the Daring Librarian, I could click on her and I could then follow. Done. So that is set that way. So you know how to tweet, you know how to follow, you know how to use the hashtag, but what about having conversations? So I want to show you a little bit about that as well. So here you see that I've got all of these tweets in my Twitter feed, and say that there's one that I want to respond to, and I saw one before. Where is it? I saw one before from Gretchen. Here's one about a program that I'm really excited about, and Gretchen, who is a librarian at New York Public, actually wrote about. So one thing I can do is I can click on reply, and when I do that, I will be able to reply. And notice it puts in Gretchen, because she's who did it, and it also puts in Yalsa, because she talked about Yalsa. I'm not going to actually respond to Yalsa, but I'm going to say, @Librarified, thanks for tweeting about the badges program at ALAMW13. Now that's the hashtag for that. So the thing about this is this replies to Gretchen's post, it thanks her for doing the tweeting, and it also becomes a part of a conversation. So here I responded here, and I can expand it, I can collapse or expand it, and you see this conversation. Now the @ symbol replies to the person, and it is seen by anyone who follows me and Gretchen. Anyone who follows both of us will see the @. Now you send messages to people either as replies or as messages in general by just composing with a username. So if I do @Librarified, and all of the people I follow who have this part of this username will show up, showing how to send message to someone in screencast for class. Actually, I'm going to do this. You get to be example. And so this will go to Gretchen. It's not in a reply to a particular message she posted. It's just sending her a message that she will see and others who follow us both will see. And then I tweet it, and it will show up over here. Now there's one other kind of message you can do, and that's a direct message. And that is a D before the person's name, showing DMs. And that means I'm showing a direct message that is only going to Gretchen. I'll show you more in the next screencast.